ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Tahir, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Encouraging outstanding students contributes to enhancing capacity. Central Region honors top athletes and coach in the Central Region. Trump claims Venezuela's Maduro captured after U.S. attacks. And Russia responds to terrorist attack by Kyiv. It was reported that encouraging outstanding students who scored high points in the national examination is contributing to motivating students. The report was made at an event organized to award outstanding students who scored higher points in junior and high schools during 2024-2025 academic year in our subzone. At the event in which the Tanfeda Award was presented to 12 outstanding students who scored higher points in 8th grade national examination, and special awards were given to 7 outstanding students. Mr. Yasin Mohammed Noor, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the subzone, and Mr. Haragot Tkhalabrhan, director of the junior and high school, noted that the result of the encouragement being provided, the capacity of students is significantly providing. Mr. Yirgalem Ezra, chairman of the Parents Committee, said that improving the capacity of students should not be left only to schools and called for creating conditions that enable parents to play their part. Mr. Isaac Toum, administrator of the subzone, and Mr. Tsahaye Beyene, head of the education office in the subzone, on their part called for reinforced community-based participation in the efforts to enhance in teaching and learning process. The Central Region Athletic Federation honored athletes and coaches who achieved outstanding results in the regional and the national competitions held in 2025 during the ceremony organized on 2nd January. In his speech, the president of the federation, Mr. Kobram Tkhle, noted that significant victories were recorded in 2025 because of the efforts of the coaches were effectively implemented on the ground by athletes. He explained that the award ceremony was aimed at providing recognition for their achievements. It was announced during the event that the award recipients included 18 athletes who ranked from 1st to 6th in the 10 regional and 7 national competitions, as well as 9 coaches who were nominated as the best based on the points recorded by their athletes. Mr. Asmarom Tsagabrhan, Director General of Culture and Sports Department, noted that the recorded success serves as a springboard for achieving higher performances level in the future, emphasizing that awards should be viewed by its perspective. Finally, awards and certificate of appreciation prepared by the Central Region to Athletes Federation were distributed. In his closing remark, Mr. Zari Tawdabrhan, Managing Director of Central Region, urged athletes and their coaches not to become complacent with their current success or limit themselves to domestic competitions. And he encouraged them to work harder in preparation of the continual and global stage that awaits them. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. The U.S. has captured Venezuela's President Nicolas Maduro and his wife and launched a large-scale strike against the country, Donald Trump says. Attorney General Pam Bondi said that he has indicted the New York on drug and weapons charges and will face a full wrath of American justice on American soil and American courts. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio anticipates no further action against Venezuela, according to the Republican senator. Earlier, Venezuela's government accused U.S. of attacking civilian military installations in multiple states as rejected by military aggression by Washington. The government of President Maduro has declared a national emergency following a series of attacks. On our last report, the Russian military has conducted a large-scale and 6-group strikes against drone production facilities, energy infrastructure, and another military-related target inside Ukraine over the past week, the Defense Ministry in Moscow has said. The bombardment was the response of the Ukraine terrorist attack on civilian targets in Russia, the ministry said in a statement on Friday. High-precision munitions, including Kizhal hypersonic missile, were utilized during the strike, it added. The targets of the Russian attack included production facilities for Ukraine long-range drones and sites from where they are being launched, in a statement read. The attack were also aimed at transportation, port infrastructure used by Kyiv forces, army fuel depots, temporary deployment sites of the Ukrainian military units, and foreign mercenaries, according to the ministry. On December 28th and 29th, Kyiv launched 91 long-range UAVs at the residence of the Russian President Vladimir Putin in Novgorod region, although drones were shot down by air defenses. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Encouraging outstanding students contributes to enhancing capacity. Central Region honors top athletes and coaches in the Central Region. Trump claims Venezuela's Maduro captured after U.S. attacks. Russia's response to terrorist attack by Kyiv. That was the news from ERi-TV studios. This has been the Late Sahara reporting. Thanks for watching and have a good night.